Hey guys, welcome to Views Vibe. So this is a YouTube SMM panel and mainly a views provider panel where you can get or purchase unlimited views for your YouTube videos. So we have been working with various agencies and freelancers as well as resellers to help them gain views on their video. Plus, many resellers are been partnered with us to provide view services to many other clients and customers which are from various industries, for example music as well as movies, films, etc. So yeah, I mean, this is mainly a popular worldwide. So this is the first time we try to launch the provider panel in the market to help you gain direct access to the provider. So the reason behind it is you will get services in really cheap. Well, if you can compare our pricing with other service providers or panels, so you will get mostly the double rate or the triple rate. I mean, this is 1.15 USD for 1,000 views. I mean, this is really a cheap price. Okay, you won't get anything here. Here is a chat button where you can understand if you have any doubts, so you can directly contact anyone. This you can see that how like 11 hours ago someone from Colombo, Sri Lanka have signed up. So this is generally a proof that our panel has been popular in various countries and among the world. Okay, so we are mainly the views provider. So all the views service are from advertisement, and here are the rates according to the speed and the quality. Okay, so if you want 500k to 1 million a day, so you can purchase this and get 1 million views in a day, right? If you have a big music agency, you can get it. Okay, let me guide you how to use this panel. So this is really a views vibe promise, like what you will get here. So yes, all views are monetizable. So if you have any YouTube channel with monetization enabled, so you will earn from our views. Obviously not that much, but yeah, it will help you on some kind of bugs. And this is like how the process looks like. Anyway, I'm going to these are the customer testimonials and this general FAQ. Let me show how you can sign up it, and then submit. I am not a robot, or understand all the terms and condition, and then sign up. Okay, then just sign up and you will came to the login page or the panel dashboard where you can see like this is a welcome message. You can click OK. Then what you have to do is just load fonts. So this is generally the order page where you can select the type of service you want, and you can see the minimum quantity. So in this package the minimum quantity is 10k views. So let's say suppose you can put YouTube link and here you put 10k. Okay, yeah, here you have to click I agree. It will charge around 11.5, and then you have to click OK, submit button. So yeah, before that you have to add funds in your account. So there are three options mainly: PayPal, Perfect Money, and bank and others. So if you have any other payment method, let's say debit card, credit card, you can opt for the you can contact us via WhatsApp or chat. We can help you with that. If you have a Skrill, we have the option for you. If you have Pioneer, we have the option for you. You just have to do is contact us via this chat button and we'll help you, assist you. And if you want customer support on WhatsApp, we have available for you as well. Okay, and if you want to get to the admin, you can click here to admin and then just type your message and submit ticket. So yeah, admin will reach out to you. Now make sure to add your WhatsApp number if you want to get contacted on WhatsApp. Okay, now after adding funds, you have to select the service and then submit. And if you are the resellers, you know how to connect API. Just go on API, get your API key. That's it, done. So yeah, if you have any problem, please reach out to us via this chat or tickets, or you can reach out to us on WhatsApp. We'll add a WhatsApp number in description, and if we haven't added in description, so you can directly reach out to us via chat and you can ask for the WhatsApp number. I hope this video helps you. Good night. Bye bye.